So this is the pound dollar analysis for Monday, the 18th of December. Now let's have a look what happened with prices in the past and try to see where they might go in the future. So we came down to 33.04. We saw this big, we saw quite a lot of buy side momentum coming to the market, trade above 33.50 all the way up to 34.29. Now about 34.29, we did look poised for the further continuation. We did see a test there, and we did look poised for further continuation. We saw some weakness coming to the market, so we didn't trade all the way up to 34.88. We did see some weakness coming to the market, broke back above this 34.29 and went into a bit of consolidation before we had this pretty strong sell-off here on the pound against the dollar. We've got our highs over here, and we've got essentially a lower high there. So we did see a sell-off. This move over here to your left was negated by the move to the downside. Now we have come down into an area of support in around that 33.04. So we'll do see if we do hold this level, beyond which we're looking at 33.50, above which 33.68. The level after that would be in and around at 34.29. Now, before we get up to 34.29, we do have to be aware of the 200 and 400 period moving average. Both are sitting in around this 33.90 level, around the 33.90. We'll see how prices react there if we do see some bearishness coming to the market for further downside momentum. Otherwise, we are looking to target that 34.29. Let's just see. If there is quite a bit of market volatility, I suppose 34.88 could come into focus, but I wouldn't anticipate 34.88 coming into focus. 34.29 would possibly be the far end of the range. Now, if we do break down from where we are at present, we have to look for potential downside targets. So if we do break down from this 33.04, if we do see a failure, a retest of 33.04 and a break, or a test of 33.50, selling momentum coming to the market, we'll see our price react to 32.81. If we do break down from 32.81, the very next level we are looking at is 30. Just bear with me a second here. Let's get the scaling on here correct. So if we do break down from 32.81, if we don't see buy side momentum coming to the market, we're looking to target 32.20 and 31.93. Again, these are levels that we are looking at for further buying to come into the market. We've mentioned levels to the upside that we are looking at and around at 34.88, possibly 35.20. And yeah, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound dollar. That's going to be correct. So on the pound dollar, we were expecting further continuation to retest the highs of 2017 so far. But instead what we have seen is some weakness coming to the market, and there doesn't appear to be a lot of conviction to the upside for the pound against the dollar. So we do see this grinding price action to the downside. What we might see is further retracement before a break to the upside on the pound against the dollar. But overall, let's see, there we are. But so here's our highs over here. These are double bottoms. So we'll see if prices retrace further down before we do see a bullish move, a break of this 35.20, beyond which we're looking all the way up at 36.57. But we have to see how this current structure just here, how it plays out, whether we do continue to retrace downwards or we do get a break to the upside on the pound against the dollar. And yeah, with that said, that should wrap up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.